YouTube? It's your boy Tiptoe Trey coming at you with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna finally go get that Resonator delete that I should have got when I got the muffler delete, to be honest. Going back to Syntex Motor to get it done. I feel like they did a good job, or the guy that was working there that day did a good job welding it. So, and they're the cheapest place here. I did put up a new Instagram. It is Tiptoe Trey Vlogs, the same as the YouTube. So go follow that. On that Instagram account, I will be posting a lot of pictures of the car, updates, mods, and even the videos when they will be dropping. So stay tuned. I'm also gonna do a lot more editing. I've been off for a minute. Haven't really been feeling it, so. But I promise my viewers, man, I'll be back on it. I did shoot about 3 videos, didn't upload any, didn't edit any. This wind is probably killing me right now. But let's go ahead and check out some of the mods I put on. I put on about 4 mods in the last week. I shot videos for some of them, but hey, I might scrap them, I might throw them in this video, but we'll see. First off, we got the new front lip, or front bumper splitter, whatever you know it by. Those who follow me on Instagram know that I put the tiring letters on with the Tiptoe Trey Dodge Beamin'. I got an install video for that, I might add to it. The wicker bill has also been added. That is a new touch. I also shot a video for that, but didn't upload it. And also, y'all don't know if you can see way in the back, those mud flaps. Put on some mud flaps, front and back. I don't know how good you can see that, but to me, makes this car stand out more, makes it look more aggressive. Ouch. But yeah, man, like always, if you're new to the channel, go like, comment, and subscribe. But let's get this video started. And the best way to start it off is with the cold start. Yeah, I'm pretty sure my neighbors aren't too happy about that, but hey, what can you do? I'm a guy with a nice car. Gotta deal with it. Like always, man, if you're new to the channel, like, comment, subscribe. Let your friends know about my videos, man. Share my videos. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers and let's get further than that. I reached 100 subscribers. That's actually a goal that I think I would meet. Appreciate everyone and all my subscribers, all of my followers for still believing in your boy. Tell your friends, subscribe to Tiptoe Trey Vlogs. There's no spaces in it. It's Tiptoe Trey Vlogs, one word. All right? Because there's a lot of confusion on that. But like always, man, I'm gonna try to bring you the most exciting videos. So let's go ahead and get started. I do have a GoPro hooked up to the back, so I'm gonna try to give you videos of the car before and after the Resonator delete. If you're new to the channel, I did get a muffler delete done about a month ago. So now we're gonna get a Resonator delete. It should be before. The tires spun bad. Oh yeah, gotta love it. Like I was saying earlier, man, we're gonna get this Resonator deleted. It's been too long. I've been really sitting on it, trying to decide if I want to get it done or not. So, I mean, I'm really going for that aggressive sound. It already sounds really mean with just the muffler deleted, but I'm just gonna go a step further and get the Resonator deleted. Why not? Fuck it. I'm already putting so much money into the car, so what's not another little expense? Ran to a 2017 Daytona. Oh yeah, we should definitely line it.
Yeah, Snapchat, Instagram is Cashonwilliamss with 2 S's, no spaces. That's it.
Like one of the Ball brothers.
Yeah, and shout out my Instagram. You know, we just hit 30K, so we're gonna do Ceonn.williams. Also for my Snapchat, Ceonn.williams. Yeah, follow my YouTube at Ceonn. Yes, sir.
Oh yeah, links in the description.
Links in description, for sure. Yes, sir. Like I said, Mopar game. 2017 Daytona. 2016 Scat. Oh yeah. More videos coming soon, man. I'm glad. I actually came to Graves instead of going to Syntex because I heard they do better work. Pull up to Syntex, got that vibe, man. I'm like, nah. I'm gonna go ahead and get it done somewhere else, somewhere better. That's somewhere I know I'm gonna get the work done for the price. So. You happy about it?
Yeah. Well, I'm ready to punch it on the road now.
A quick flyby. Beaming in the background. This is why I'm getting it replaced. Missed a couple spots, so I was actually getting a lead. So I actually had a leak from what he was telling me. So it's good I came somewhere more professional, get it done or redone. So that the harmony. Yes, sir. Get it done right the first time, or you're gonna have leaks. Pretty much what I got. So, I mean, not to shit on Syntex, but I mean, I kind of expected them to do a crappy job. I felt like it was good, but I had to tell them about welding the top a little better. And as you can tell, it looks like hot doo-doo. So, get it done right the first time, for sure. Souvenir.
2.5 to 3 inch.
Yeah. Rasean.t came out to support your boy. YouTube coming soon?
Nah.
Stop bullshit, nigga. God damn it. That is loud. See if I can get some with the windows down. Oh, hey. God damn it. Shout out to Graves Muffler, man. They found the leak in my muffler. I ended up paying or doing more work than I planned on doing today, but hey, as long as it's good, I'm good. They did a hell of a job, man. Sounds aggressive. That thing sounds good and performs good. Yeah, man, shout out for Ceonn, Cashon, and Rasean for helping me out with the video, man. Give me more content. Because, man, the boys had some nice cars. Originally went in to get a Resonator delete. Found out I had a leak from the last Mid Muffler Delete I got. So I ended up getting the Mid Muffler Delete and the Resonator Delete today. They actually put the 3-inch pipe on the, where the Mid Muffler was at, instead of the 2-inch. I believe they had a 2-inch on there. So, yeah, Syntex, yeah, they did a bad job all around. But, I mean, I ended up spending more money than I planned, but I ended up getting the work done, the quality of the work done for the price. So shout out to Graves Mufflers, man. Link will be in description if you're local to Waco, Texas area. But yeah, man, if you reach this part of the video, man, go like, comment, and subscribe. Videos are coming, not daily, but at least not daily, but at least 3 times a week. Cause I got a different schedule now. I can make more content, make more videos. I can put this work up, man. Just make sure you go follow your boys, man. Ceonn and Cashon. Links will be in the description. Cause they out here doing it big too, man. They got 31,000 followers on Instagram. Get a quick pull so y'all can hear it. The drone sound, I don't really hear no drone. It sounds just about the same to me. But yeah, man, like always, go like, comment, subscribe. Go support your boys on YouTube. Looking forward to putting out more videos more consistently. So stay tuned, man. Let's make this channel grow. Let's join the Tiptoe gang. But yeah, man, like always, follow your boy on Instagram at Tiptoe Trey Vlogs, no spaces. Same as YouTube, Tiptoe Trey Vlogs, no spaces. There was a bit of a confusion on that one, so just want to clarify that. So thank you everybody for liking, commenting, and subscribing. Especially a little bit of subscribers I got now, man. I appreciate you all. But I am Tiptoe Trey and I'm out. Peace. Say go like and subscribe.